Precision is the first ingredient in a perfect cup of tea.
One must respect the geometry of the fruit to release its soul.
A touch of sweetness to balance the tartness of life.
It is ready. A moment of peace in a busy world.